Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, you guessed it, I am going to mow the grass today. And as much as I like to decorate and clean, I also love maintaining my yard. So I'm going to give you guys a couple tips on mowing. Make sure that you have enough gas to get started. Now my mower takes straight gas, so you want to make sure that your gas is all filled up so you don't run out. And then I'm in Florida, so it's hot out today, and I definitely need a bottle of water to get started. And then the next thing is, you have settings on the wheels. You definitely do not want to touch that. If you set it too low, it lowers the mower down. You will hack up your grass and it will look like shit. So always keep it on the highest setting because you'll always get a nice cut. And ladies, if your man will not cut the grass, get out there. It's not that hard. You can do it. Just tell yourself, this is my exercise for the day. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, well I managed to get the yard mowed and edged, and I must say it was a hot one in Florida today. It really made me out of breath just mowing the front yard. Normally during the summer I'm mowing it probably every 2 or 3 days, and during the winter months I probably don't even mow it once a week. So you can really tell how out of shape I am from not keeping up with mowing the yard. But summer will be here before you know it, and I'll be back at it, and it'll get easier as time goes on. But before I end this video, I want to tell you guys what I've been eating on my diet for the last 3 days. I've been eating eggs for breakfast in the morning, 2 scrambled eggs with ketchup, and then one of the days I did do an omelet with onions and cheese. And then in the afternoon, one day I had tuna fish with lettuce. I just wrapped it up in lettuce. One day I had some nuts and some water, and then one day I just had some olives because I took a nap, and then when I woke up I ended up making myself a big salad. And then for dinner I've been having chicken breast with broccoli. So that's my update for as far as what foods I've been eating. Now my weight, I wasn't going to weigh myself for a week, but I gave in and jumped on the scale, and after 3 days I've lost 3 pounds. So I'm super excited about that. So I'm 174, and this is going to really keep me motivated to keep going. Today I had eggs again this morning, and then I just got done having some sliced cucumber with some tuna fish, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to have tonight for dinner. But anyways, I went ahead and changed out my Valentine's stuff, put my garden flag up that says welcome, and then after I took my Valentine's Day wreaths down, I went ahead and put these spring ones up. Like I said, in Florida it's super hot, so it's very hard not to want to get out your spring decor and start decorating. So I did want something on the front door, so I decided to bring these out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and gives you some inspiration for your home. And then until next time, happy decorating!